Hello, this is the Wood Circus project. I'd like to present to you the 3WFactor. It is an open call for good practices in wood processing and recycling. This call is an opportunity for companies in the wood and construction sector to gain publicity in Europe. Wood Circus is a project funded by the Horizon 2020 program of the European Commission. It involves 17 partners in 7 countries, among them 7 major research centers, 8 leading companies and industrial associations in the wood sector, and 2 European networks. The coordinator is VTT, the Technical Research Center of Finland. The construction sector is one of Europe's leading sectors. It provides around 18 million direct jobs and 9% of the GDP. The construction sector represents also one of the biggest sources of waste. Around 7.5 million tons of wood waste are generated annually. However, currently only around 1/3 of the wood wastes are recycled. There are large volumes that are not valorized, and precise figures are also not available. We also note that there are large differences between EU member states in recycling performance, technology readiness, legal, policy, and socio-economic framework. There is an overall need to assess the system's performance and to identify European good practices that can help to reduce the generation of waste in this sector. The Wood Circus project will deliver the following main expected results. First, it will produce a good practice database of identified cases around Europe. Second, it will produce a European policy white paper with recommendations how to improve the performance of the sector. Third, it will produce a research and development plan to be exploited jointly by the members of the consortium. It will also create a wider Wood Circus network involving more actors around the value chain and across Europe. It also creates an interface to the European Raw Materials Information System, a major database on raw materials provided by the European Commission. And last but not least, all results will be presented in a high-level conference at the end of the project. To collect a large number of good practice examples, we have launched the 3WFactor, an open call to industry. Here we invite you, the woodworking companies, to share with us your success story, innovations, and ideas for the future. By participating, you can win an award for your implemented efficiency solutions in the fields of wood processing, wood recycling, and wood reuse. Take the chance to benefit from a European-wide publicity to showcase your company in the circular economy. This call is open to any company in the wood processing and construction sector in Europe. We would like to learn about your serious efforts to improve efficiency, recycling, and reuse of raw materials, residues, side streams, or waste within your company. The solutions to be presented can include well-performing state-of-the-art technology or progressive innovations, including also unconventional novel approaches. So what are the benefits for you to participate in this open call? Your company will be showcased and promoted as a good practice example by the consortium's EU-wide communication activities. These include a good practice fact sheet, which we will develop together with you to document your solution in our database. It involves publicity, so communicating your story through social media, newsletters, articles, and reports of the project, and also events. The winners of this competition will be invited to present their solution at our final conference. We hope this opportunity is interesting for you. To submit a proposal, just go to the website woodcircus.eu and use the online form to communicate us your proposal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us directly. We are looking much forward to your application. Thank you.